COVID-19 numbers are starting to come down in Northeast Ohio after an Omicron surge sent cases and hospitalizations soaring. Well, now Pfizer is entering clinical trials for a new vaccine designed specifically to address Omicron. Our Isabel Lawrence learned what the potential of a new vaccine means and how it could impact all of us.
As soon as we had heard the word Omicron, it was already in our community and rising.
Northeast Ohio was hit hard and fast by Omicron. Now Pfizer is launching a new clinical trial for a vaccine specifically targeting this variant.
I think when we started seeing clinically that there were more breakthrough cases with Omicron, I thought that I think myself and many other people realized that this might be a really good chance to test the flexibility of this technology.
But with the speed Omicron tears through communities, timing is key.
By the time this clinical trial is completed, Omicron may not be an important variant. But if it is an important variant, then we'll have a new vaccine that's more specific to Omicron and particularly could prevent infection with Omicron.
For Northeast Ohio, where cases are now dropping, it's a little too late.
By the time the Omicron vaccine were to get here, it wouldn't serve a great purpose for us. But there are other parts of the world where they haven't had their Omicron surge yet, where that would be helpful.
And doctors say being able to alter the mRNA technology in the vaccines to address specific variants is a valuable resource in the fight against the virus. It gives scientists the ability to adjust the vaccine should more variants or even more Omicron come into play in the future. Possibilities doctors say could happen.
We have these vaccines, they're safe, they're effective, they've saved so many lives. And they're easy to alter should we need to.
We need the vaccine makers to be able to see variants coming, develop a vaccine that's specific to that variant, and then get that vaccine out.
If this new tool successfully goes through its clinical trial, it will only be valuable if it gets used.
We still are only 63% fully vaccinated in the United States. And I think this is something that we need to continue to talk with our friends and loved ones about.
And in case you were wondering, here's how Pfizer says their clinical trial will work. There will be 3 groups of people. One will have already received 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine 90 to 180 days ago. They'll get 1 or 2 doses of the omicron-specific vaccine. Then the second group, they already received 3 doses of the Pfizer vaccine on that same timeline. They will get 1 dose of the current vaccine or the omicron-specific vaccine. And then there's a third group of people who never got a COVID vaccine. They will get 3 doses of that Omicron-specific vaccine, Laura.
Wow, a lot of information there, but clearly our scientists, our researchers are working. All right, Isabel, thank you so much.